Now we want to work with lexical parameters. Okay, lexical parameters. Right. So first we open the report builder. So here we need to develop a new report manually. Then first we want to choose the SQL query. Here select start from EM. Just I want to develop a simple query. Okay, simple report. Yes. Now go to layout model. We should have the confine mode and flex mode, and adjust the edit margin. And here we can choose the main frame. We can choose the repeating frame. We can choose the fields. So now we can set the sources to each and every properties. Go to repeating frame, set the source and the fields, employee number, employee name, job, salary, DPT number, right? Now we select all fields and no need to fill, we don't have lines. Next we compile it and run it. So this is our output, right? Now I want to implement the lexical parameter in this report, right? Go to data model. So always we can possible to pass in real life. We are maximum we can pass the lexical parameter or bind parameter from where class only. Okay. Then here how we can go to yes, we can use it. Yeah, 99% we are using where class only. Okay. Then here select star from EMP. Now I want to define the where. Okay. Instead of that where class, I am going to specify the okay, or else here we can go to define this one, yeah, where then now I am going to specify the condition. Okay, it is a parameter, right? Then or else we can go this one, select star from EMP and we can apply the condition. We can apply the condition. It is a lexical parameter. Then now we click on that one. System will show us the query has a lexical parameter. The query has a lexical parameter. So basically whenever we are going to write a query from where class, instead of that where class I can use the, means it is a condition, right? Where class is a condition. Instead of that I am going to specify the condition. So system is going to understand when we are going to assign the ampersand. Okay, when we specify the colon, system is understand it is a bind parameter. Okay, when we specify the ampersand, the system is understand the lexical parameter, right? Now click on OK and will be compile it. Once we compile this one, now click on run, and system is asked to us a condition. So basically which condition we can possible to pass here? Select star from EMP already there. Then after that which condition we can possible to pass? Suppose say example order by employee number. Have we possible to pass or not? Select star from EMP order by EMP number. Definitely we can possible to pass. Right? Then suppose again I can go to run the report. Already select star from EMP is there, where DEPT number equal to 20.
Means we are giving the condition.
Yes, entire condition we can possible to pass. Okay, then again we can possible to, if we can run the report, then here I am going to pass where, suppose say example here, where DEPT number, sorry, where job equal to clerk. Okay, it is also condition, it is executed. Suppose again I run the report, just I am going to pass any one value. Is there any meaning? Select star from EMP, then space 10. The query is valid? It is not valid. Then we can get the error. We can get the error. The lexical parameter does not accept a single value, whatever it may be. You can pass any value, it is not accepted. It is always accepted the only condition. Okay, condition. Suppose again I am going to run the report. I don't want to pass any value. I don't want to pass any value. Exactly. Have you clear of this? So, but in bind parameter what happened? Mandatory. It doesn't show us any output. But in lexical parameter, it is a optional. So here observe this. When I am going to run the report, I didn't pass any parameter. In backend, which query is running? Select star from EMP. That is the reason automatically we are getting the output. Clear all of you? Then suppose say example here again I want to run the report. Again I want to run the report. Here I want to pass something like that, where DEPT number equal to 20 and job equal to clerk. Is it working or not? Definitely it is working. Because of it is a condition, right? Whatever it may be, the condition is accepted. Means what is the condition we pass? The condition is having a valid statement. Automatically it is executed. Once the statement is executed successfully, automatically it is get the output from the database. Right? Just imagine which is the condition we pass. That condition is going to match with our query or not. Both are exist in our, both are execute in our SQL prompt. Automatically it is getting the data from the database. But I say that what is that means? I can possible to define this lexical parameter from class also. Okay. Then now I can go to object navigator. First of all, I want to remove this one. I want to remove this one. Next, go to data model. Here we can remove this one. Okay. Now I want to execute this lexical parameter from class. Now I want to define a lexical parameter from class. Okay. Let it be. Just so it is a normal report. Then go to data model. Here from class I want to define it. Okay. From class I want to define it. Here just I define the P1 ampersand P1. It is a parameter 1. Okay. Then this is the way only we can possible to define a lexical parameter from class. Otherwise we can't possible to define. Suppose say example, observe this one. The query has created the lexical parameter. Okay. This is the way only. Suppose here you can remove this one. What happened? It is not accepted. Okay. That is the reason. Instead of that, we are going to specify a proper table. Even though here you can specify the DEPT. Then here observe this one. Observe accepted. But the which is the layout we define, the layout does not match to our these columns. Okay. That is the reason. So here, which is the table we pass here, that data only observe. But have we defined or not? Definitely we can define. We don't get any problem, right? And already we remove that. That is the reason. Again we change it to every column That column fields is changed. Why? Because we remove that one. Then and leave it. Now let us check it. Now I want to execute this report. I want to execute this report at runtime. Which you want to pass? I want always pass table name only. If you pass any another value, it is not accepted. So here it is going to checking whether the table is exist or not at runtime. Suppose it is not existing, it is not execute. Suppose say example EMP 999999 something like that. Okay. Which is the error we are getting? Table or view does not exist in our database. Yeah, yes, definitely. Suppose here I want to pass DEBT. Then here observation, number of columns selected by the query is incompatible with report definition. In data model we are choosing EMP columns. At runtime we are expecting the DEBT columns. It is not compatible, right? These are the EMP columns, these are the DEBT columns. So it does not compatible. That is the reason we are getting the error. So here what exactly I want to explain to you, we can possible to define the lexical parameter from class. Interview point of view they are asking this question. Okay, definitely we can pass, but whenever you should pass any parameter, any lexical parameter, if you want to pass from class, we should pass a existing table which is we use in our report builder. That is a very important, right? That. Next, observe this one. And what I told you, select a class. We can possible to define from select a class also. Then before that, I want to remove that. Go to Object Navigator, user parameters, and will be removed. Next here, I want to define this lexical parameter from select class. Basically in select class we are choosing the columns, right? Then here observe this one. How many columns are there in our table? 8 columns, right? Then now I want to define first parameter is EMP number. Okay, and then we can define second parameter as a e-name. Okay, this is the way we are going to follow. The next, observe, just I want to define 2 parameters from select class. Let it be check it whether it is accepted or not. Yes, absolutely it is accepted. We have P1 and P2 are the lexical parameter in this query. Right, now click on OK. It is show us only 2 columns. If you want to retrieve all columns, then we can use the emp.star. Along with these 2 columns also we are getting the all columns from the table. Now I want to check it. I want to run the report from at runtime. Then it is asked to us that 2 parameter. So here what are the parameter you pass here? Based on that parameter value it is return the values from the database. Suppose what is the first one? EMP number. Second one is e-name. That only we are going to expect it from the respected output. Suppose again I am run it. Okay, here the first one is I am giving DEBT number. Second one I am giving job. Both are available in our EMP table or not? Done. Whatever it may be you can pass. Based on that it is going to getting the data from the table. So whatever it may be. Then here observe this one. In select a class, suppose here I am going to I am specifying different names. Okay, suppose E number and P name. Okay, observe this one. It is not accepted. Why? Because it is not available in our table. That is the reason we should pass always existing column names only. It is not possible. But here at runtime how it is working, Whatever it values, we can go to pass here. That values is going to checking the table. If it is available, it is return the data. If it is not available, it is not possible to get the data. But the first parameter is the employee number. Second parameter is a e-name, right? Suppose say example here. Observe this one. In the first parameter, I am giving EBS. Just I am giving EBS. In second parameter, I am giving Oracle. What happened? The both values does not available in, means the respected both columns does not available in our table, right? And again I am going to execute that one, run the report. Here observe this one. EMP number is compatible with our DEPT number. Why? Because EMP number data type and DEPT number data type both are same. Okay. In that first EMP number, first parameter is indicate the employee number. It is a data type is number, right? Okay. In that first one, I am giving job. Okay. In the second parameter, I can specify the character. Sorry, character is a e-name is a character. DEPT number is a number. Now observe this one. It is not compatible with our data type in this panel. So here EMP number, DEPT number both are there. Sorry, job and DEPT number. I am passing job and DEPT, but both will be available in our employee table. Why it doesn't get the output? So it is not matched to our respected parameter data types. Okay. First I run the report. Here EMP number and e-name, absolutely it is working. Okay. Again, if you pass the DEPT number, job, absolutely working. Again, if you pass, the first one is job. Okay. And the second one is manager. We are getting the yeah, let it be, check it. If in case anyone is going to match to our parameter, suppose first one is EMP number, it is matched. Second one is manager. Then why? Because the respected second one is accepted the number data type varchar 2. The designation e-name designation e-name data type is accepted the varchar 2. Suppose say example. Again I am running that one. The first parameter is e-name. Second parameter I don't want to pass because of it is optional. It is a optional. Okay. Suppose your columns are all are having the varchar 2. At the time we can pass anyone. It is automatically accepted and get the data. Clear all of you. So why I want to show this one. Interview point of view, they are asking this question: have you possible to define the lexical parameter from selected class or not? Absolutely, we can define. Okay. So in this scenario, we are using this lexical parameter. Now I have a question: can we possible to use this bind parameter and the lexical parameter within one query? Can be possible to define the lexical parameter and bind parameter within one query? Is it possible or not? Definitely it is possible. Yeah. Why? Because here observe this one. In real life we have several reports. Each and every report contains the several parameters. Some parameters are mandatory, some parameters optional. So in this point of time, definitely we can use some parameters are conditional based parameters, some parameters are the value based parameters. Let us, I will show you one query. Based on that query you can easily understand. Observe this one. Now I want to develop a simple report, simple query. Select from EMP E DEPT D. DEPT D, right? Then here, now I can apply the where class. E dot DEPT number equal to D dot DEPT number. Let us check it. E dot EMP number E dot E name E dot job E dot salary E dot DEPT number D dot D name D dot location. Right? Now we can check it. So here I'm using two tables while using a simple join. Okay. Then here again I am going to write a one more join condition. Okay. And E dot DEPT number equal to colon D number. It is a mandatory parameter, right? Next, we can apply the condition. We can apply the condition. So first I pass the 10th department. In that 10th department, I want to find out the clerk information. Clerk information. Have you possible or not? Definitely. Now we can copy this query and will be placed in our report builder. Let it be check it. Before that, we can remove the parameters from object navigator and place it here. Yeah. Now this is our query. Okay. Click on OK. System is going to show us the query has a created lexical parameter is condition. Click on OK and now D number bind parameter both is there, right? Click on OK. Now let it be check it. First we can assign the columns. Employee number, employee name is there. So here it is a job and then here I want to pass DEPT number. Next we can choose the D name, right? Then now I am going to run this report. Here it is asking two parameters. First we pass the 10th department. First we pass the mandatory parameter. Okay. Next we can pass the condition. Then here and job equal to clerk. We have only one employee. Okay. Again I am run this report and here I am passing only bind parameter. Suppose 20. I don't want to pass any condition. Accepted or not? Accepted. Definitely accepted. Suppose again I am run the report. Okay. Here I don't want to pass any value. Suppose or else I want to pass only condition. Let it be check it only condition and DEPT number equal to 20. I don't want to pass the bind parameter. I want to directly pass the lexical parameter. We are getting the error because of the bind parameter is there. Again we can pass the, we can execute the report. We run the report. I don't want to pass either condition or either DEPT number. Let us, what happened? Is it executed? Does not execute. Just executed, but it doesn't show us any report. We didn't pass any DEPT number. We didn't pass any condition. Right? So in this manner we are working with this lexical parameter. Clear? All of you. So this is the way we are going to work with this lexical.